Hi, I'm Bobby Panico with Green Galaxy Companies and representative dealer for S-Rock. People often ask me what's the difference between the U and the Eco. The answer is not really that simple. There's many little things that make the Eco a better machine. I like to say it's that little bit more, that little extra inch that makes it just that much better. So the Eco is 30% faster than the U. It's got a larger control panel with more features. One thing that separates S-Rock from other automated machines is that we have innovative solutions like flock and foil and the ability to do that in one single pass on the press with two operators. How we do that is our patented foil machine here. So we're able to print a glue and then apply heat, flash the glue, and apply foil up to 2 colors, linear, up and down. The machine rolls it, peels it, does the whole operation of applying foil, saving about 70% in labor costs when you're producing foil. Then you can combine inks with the foil, all done in line. And later on in the process, we apply a flocking, so we'll have a solution that can do flock and foil and special effects. With the Eco, they easily integrate in. With the U, they can also be integrated, but you have to remove on the print heads. With the Eco, it's not, it slides right in underneath. Another feature that people really enjoy is the fetch pallet button. So if I'm doing a setup, I'll hit this fetch pallet button here, and I want to walk over and test on another head. I hit the same center button, and the pallets will all move over to that head. I can demonstrate that now. So I'm going to hit that center button. They'll be flashing on top of the machine, indicating that the button has been pressed. We can walk over to another head. Let's say we want to bring it over to this head over here. And it will just automatically shift that print head, that pallet, over to the print head that we want it. And then right from the press, we can hit start, and it will start indexing again. So here's our flocking solution. We're able to print a glue, and we're actually able to do multicolor flock in a very clean, precise way. S-Rock actually manufactures these flocking units. They do the programming and put the whole thing together. Other neat things that they do to enable the combinations is a cooling head. So a rock cool will allow you to cool your pallets down. When you're applying heat, like with flock and with foil, the application, the foil application also needs heat because you need to flash and dry it, and the foil application is obviously applying heat on the pallets. We need to cool it down so the gel does not get hard and the flock powder can actually penetrate into the gel. We can flash it here, and as you notice, we're around the machine here. It's very quiet, it's not making much noise. Even the vacuum is not making much noise. This is a vacuum that uses air from the press, and only when the squeegee is moving is it doing that suction. Picks up any loose fibers from the flocking, and it's all done in a very clean, concise way. So again, the Eco is just that little bit more. It allows you to add in these flock and foil stations. It allows you, it gives you a bigger, more fully featured control panel, and the fetch pallet button, also running 30% faster. We just took a look at the Eco. I'd like to show you our new U now. It's got a new control panel, fully colored, and it's a great machine to break into the automatic screen printing market. This is one of the safest machines on the market with what we call a safe servo. The machine will actually stop if it hits a resistance. So we'll not try to continue from point A to point B. We've got safety bars, lights on top, the same lasers as the Eco has. So essentially it's got a lot of the same features as the Eco, but it's 30% less expensive. It runs 30% slower, but it still can run 1,000 pieces per hour, which is a fantastic number. The machine has the same print carriage as the Eco, same squeegee system, same registration system. It does not have the button in the middle for fetch pallet, but you can unlock it and swing the pallets manually. Integration of flash units, the same way, the print heads lift up, we can put our flash units underneath. If we were to attach a flock or foil on the machine, we can remove a print head and attach a flocker foil. So it has the ability to be upgraded to accept flock and foil as well. The components, I mean, these are a little bit tougher to push than on the Eco. The Eco, they are a little bit more smoother, easier to move the print carriage back and forth because of just simply a little bit better components, higher end components. I mean, a good way to compare would be, this would be the Toyota and that would be the Lexus. So the print quality coming off of the U and the print quality coming off of the Eco is essentially the same. Some of our customers have an Eco and a U, they've run the same job on both presses, so the quality is identical. So there's no real difference in quality, only speed and features that allow you to run more faster on the Eco, and little details in the program like the fetch pallet. But like I said, this machine will do whatever that machine will do, and is an excellent way to break into the screen printing market.